Yeah, we have got this HDL system which is connected over S-bus. We have got a relay module, a dimmer module, and a keypad and a motion sensor. And the HDL system is connected over LAN network. And we have got Crestron system, which is CP2E, and we have got the new coming up control system, which is yet to be released. That is also been connected, which is something similar to Crestron. And we are coming up something which is an IP module, which is having relay control and status input, which can be used for security as well as lighting controls. There is also an IP module, and we have developed some software which can control over Windows application, and we have an app which can control the HDL and our devices through Crestron app. This is basically a Crestron app. You just go into the Crestron app and we can switch on basically the relay module. You can see the relay is clicking over IP, and we have the lighting control of HDL controlled, and we can vary the intensity also. Let me show you the processor speed of our relay module, which is a self-processed controller. It will be soon released with a web server onto it, so that anybody can program it onto the browser. So this is basically a testing which we right now doing with our firmware, which is making a loop testing using a control over IP client. And we have got a secondary control and terminal, which also can be utilized with this device. This device is a universal product which can be utilized as a terminal control also. We are sending almost like 100 commands per second, and it's been responding with the status update. And this is the application which is controlling the relay module. We have a very good graphical user interface which can be utilized to design the applications. We got a lot of possibilities like buttons and gauges, IP cameras, and a lot of stuffs which soon will be released. Yep.
Wonderful. Thank you for watching.